How to earn $100 per day. Practical strategies for financial freedom. Let's be real, who wouldn't want an extra $100 a day? That's an extra $3,000 a month, enough to cover a car payment, pay down some serious debt, or even invest and grow your wealth. The truth is, a lot of us are stuck in this loop of trading our time for money, but what if I told you there are legitimate ways to break free and start building a financial future you're actually excited about? In this video, we're diving deep into practical strategies to earn an extra $100 per day. And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, exploring different avenues, and finding what works best for you. We'll be covering everything from side hustles you can start today to online businesses that can generate passive income over time. The goal here is to give you the tools and knowledge to take control of your finances and start building the life you deserve. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and start building your own path to financial freedom, buckle up, because we're about to break it all down. Unlocking online opportunities, your path to $100 per day. All right, let's dive into the world of online opportunities because the internet has opened up so many doors to make extra money. One of the most popular ways is through freelancing. Now, freelancing is essentially offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have become go-to hubs for freelancers and clients alike. Think about what you're good at. Are you a strong writer? Maybe you have a knack for graphic design, or perhaps you know your way around a coding language. These are all in-demand skills that can fetch you a pretty penny in the freelance world. The key to success on these platforms is to build a strong profile that showcases your skills and experience. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. And remember, you can always negotiate your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Now, if you're more into the entrepreneurial side of things, online selling might be your jam. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon have made it easier than ever to turn your passion into profit. Whether you create handmade crafts, design unique digital products, or source and sell trending items, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of online selling is that you're in control. You set your prices, manage your inventory, and build your brand. Plus, with the power of social media and online advertising, you can reach a global audience and scale your business to new heights. Speaking of building a brand, let's talk about content creation. If you've got a knack for creating engaging and informative content, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer incredible opportunities to monetize your passion. Whether you're into blogging, creating educational videos, or sharing your expertise through tutorials, there's an audience out there for everyone. Monetization methods like ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships can turn your content into a lucrative income stream. The key to success in the content creation game is consistency and engagement. Show up for your audience regularly, interact with your followers, and always strive to provide value. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. But hey, maybe you're thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but I'm not sure I have the skills or experience to make money online. And you know what? That's totally okay. There are tons of resources available to help you learn and grow. From free online courses to paid workshops and mentorships, you can find the guidance you need to level up your skills and start generating income online. The important thing is to be willing to invest in yourself and embrace the learning process. Remember, building a successful online business or freelance career takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt your strategies along the way. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day you'll be sharing your own tips and tricks for online success. The internet has created so many possibilities for financial freedom, and it's all at your fingertips. So take advantage of these online opportunities and start building the future you deserve. Offline opportunities, turning your time into money. Now let's shift gears and talk about offline opportunities. Because hey, not everyone wants to be glued to a computer screen all day, right? And the good news is, there are still plenty of ways to make extra money offline. One of the easiest and most flexible options is side hustles. These are gigs you can do in your spare time to bring in some extra cash. Think about services people always need, like dog walking or pet sitting. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect pet sitters with pet owners, making it easier than ever to find clients. If you enjoy driving, becoming a driver for ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft can be a lucrative way to earn money on your own schedule. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and meet new people along the way. Another option is to tap into the world of task-based platforms like TaskRabbit. From assembling furniture to running errands, there's always someone who needs an extra pair of hands. These platforms connect you with people in your local area who need help with everyday tasks, and you can set your rates and choose the tasks that fit your skills and schedule. But hey, maybe you're looking for something a bit more stable than gigs here and there. In that case, part-time jobs could be the perfect solution. Retail stores, restaurants, and customer service roles are always in high demand, and many offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate your availability. The beauty of part-time jobs is that they provide a consistent stream of income while still allowing you the flexibility to pursue other opportunities or commitments. Plus, you might even gain valuable skills and experience that could benefit you in the future. Now, if you're more entrepreneurial and have an eye for spotting deals, selling goods and services could be your calling. One man's trash is another man's treasure, right? Yard sales, online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, and even local consignment shops are great places to sell gently used items and turn a profit. But it's not just about selling used stuff. Think about services you can offer within your community. Are you a whiz at gardening? Offer your lawn care or landscaping services to neighbors? Good at fixing things? Advertise your handyman skills and help people with those odd jobs around the house. The key to success in selling goods and services is to identify a need in your community and offer a valuable solution. Get creative, think outside the box, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Remember, earning extra income offline is all about tapping into your skills, interests, and resources. Don't be afraid to try different things, experiment, and see what works best for you. And hey, you might even discover a hidden talent or passion you never knew you had. Chapter 3. Mastering the game tips for success on your $100/day journey. Alright, we've covered a ton of ground here, from online gigs to offline hustles. But before you dive headfirst into earning that extra $100 per day, let's talk about some essential tips to set yourself up for success. First things first, budgeting and financial planning are crucial. It's not just about making money, it's about managing it wisely. Track your income and expenses like a hawk. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or good old-fashioned pen and paper. Whatever works best for you. The key is to know where your money is going so you can identify areas to cut back and save. And speaking of saving, make it a priority. Set realistic financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing for the future. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar working for you, not against you. Next up, let's talk time management and productivity. When you're juggling multiple income streams or a side hustle on top of your regular job, time becomes your most valuable asset. Prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and break down large projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. And don't be afraid to say no to distractions. Put your phone on silent, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and create a dedicated workspace where you can focus without interruptions. Remember, efficiency is key when you're trying to maximize your earning potential. But it's not all about working yourself to the bone. Taking breaks, prioritizing sleep, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance are essential for long-term success. Burnout is real, and it can sabotage even the most driven individuals. Now, let's talk about the power of networking and building relationships. Connect with like-minded individuals, attend industry events, and engage with people online and offline. You never know where your next opportunity might come from, and building a strong network can open doors you never even knew existed. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, ask for advice, and offer your support in return. Remember, networking is a two-way street, and building genuine connections can lead to incredible opportunities. And finally, embrace the learning process. The world is constantly changing, and new opportunities are emerging all the time. Stay curious, invest in your personal and professional development, and never stop learning. Whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or simply reading industry blogs and books, make it a priority to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of income generation. Remember, earning an extra $100 per day is not a pipe dream. It's a tangible goal within your reach. By implementing these tips, staying persistent, and never giving up on your financial goals, you can create the future you deserve. So, get out there, take action, and start building the life you've always wanted. So there you have it, a breakdown of practical strategies to earn an extra $100 a day. We've covered online opportunities like freelancing, online selling, and content creation, as well as offline options like side hustles, part-time jobs, and selling goods and services. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you, your skills, and your lifestyle. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work, staying consistent, and building a solid foundation for your financial future. Now, I want to hear from you. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your goals.